hot shot, and I'll pop that off a few times, see if a deer will come in. So hopefully we can get one for you today. So far, I haven't seen a thing yet. It just got light about 20 minutes ago. But, it's cold. It's about, I'd say in the 20s. You see there's a stand behind me. I can't sit back because you can see her. I think, if you can see that. So the steps are ice, you can't climb it. Because you go take one step and you'll be falling out. But I heard a guy out here, a fox bark up here on the hill. So if he comes down, he's definitely gotta go. If I see him, he's definitely gotta go down. So that should be a good, easy kill for me. Keith just shot at a buck. It looked to be a pretty nice, pretty decent buck. Basket rack buck. You know what? That's the first deer taken down when I've been up here. This is my first time on this spot. I didn't know he was that close to me. I thought it was back that way further. Over toward where his stand used to be. But they ran up to Gary. I don't know if they got up there yet, because if they did, he should have a shot at him. That was fast. That came out of nowhere. And I put out some Dick's hot shot. This is a miss, like a buck bomb almost. You pop it off so often. I just popped it off, not even 5 minutes before he shot. I popped it off right at dawn. Right after I set it down, I popped off a few. But then they had to be coming. If they weren't coming to that, they were going just up here through the funnel to go to the bedding area. I have to think it back here, but because I shot a buck one year, and he ran into that one, shot off on our property up here. That was fast. Double. I just shot one. Keith shot one. Keith was sitting right there. Gary's sitting way up on top of the hill. And he just shot a buck. He said he's rolled over up there. And the other one, he said, ran over that way, down toward the river. And then we got a creek here. That buck crossed the creek, so Dad had to go up the hill. I don't want to be caught off guard when I'm doing this, because I really shouldn't be doing this. The deer are really moving today. But 2 bucks down. Oh, maybe we can get a third. Well, here's Gary's buck. This is the 3-point I got on camera. Well, at least that's what I think. And Dad shot one too. He ran down in there, stopped, laid down, then he jumped back up and ran across the path there. So I'm gonna go bring this guy back to the truck. Yeah, got some of our stuff off and head back in after the other one. We didn't even turn off the truck yet. There's deer coming. They're driving on the other property. Should be a deer over in that area. Dad? So far it's nothing. Got in a little late. Dad missed the buck down there. There's three does. One, the buck, the other was with a smaller doe. Anyway, nothing. It's been pretty quiet since